So let me give you a demo of the MagnetBuilder Pro. You can see I'm already here on our product page. We have here a set of 3 circle. I will click upload and now our MagnetBuilder will open up. You can see we have 3 slots defined. So now you can whether go with the bulk upload or you can individually upload images. So let's in our case select 3 of them. You can see they are being uploaded right away. You can click done. Now you can see that here are the images present. You can also click edit to change the angle and the section of the image, so you can crop it. For example, here we click apply and you can see that this section was updated of the magnet. We can click now add. You can see that 3 images are now in this configuration. You can go to cart, check out, and then each of these images will be present on the download page, and also they will be right away on your print ready file. So the same, you can see I can refresh the page one time. You can see a set of 6 will then show accordingly 6 of these slots. I can again select all of them in bulk, so it will be much faster. You can now see they are being uploaded. So once they're being uploaded, we can click done, and now you can see all of the magnets are now here as a preview. We can also edit them and we can also click add, and then all of these 6 will be attached to this particular product. So now let's go to our app dashboard. You can see here, you can switch between centimeters and inches. You can change all of the wordings of that button, which will open up the MagnetBuilder. You can change also the colors. It's also translatable. You can see here, these are the magnets which you can configure: square, rectangle, and circle. You can see, for example, in my case, I have configured circle with 3 slots, circle with 4 slots, circle with 6 slots. And according to that, what we have configured here, we can assign it. You can see here in the targeting, I have opened up my product photo magnets. You can see we have here set of 3 circle, set of 6 circle. You can see I can here select the product which we have defined above, and I can also select here the slots which are available for this particular product. Yeah, that's how it is. You can also here see that you can upload your print template for each of these slots. Then, for example, if I have 4 slots here in my print template, there are 4 slots in the output. You will also get your original PDF file, but then with the actually placed images inside it.